Hey, so if your files are getting messy in 2026, organizing folders in SharePoint can save you a ton of time. I'll show you how to set things up clean and simple. All right, first, open SharePoint in your browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. Now, go to your site and open the document library where your files are stored. Next, click on New and choose Folder to create main categories, like projects, teams, or departments. Inside each main folder, create subfolders to break things down further, like dates, tasks, or file types. Make sure to use clear and consistent names so everyone can find files quickly. Now drag and drop, or use the Move option to organize your existing files into the right folders. Yeah, for better organization, you can also use columns, tags, or custom views instead of just folders. You can set permissions on specific folders to control who can view or edit them. So, yeah, that's how you can organize SharePoint folders in 2026. It keeps everything neat and easy to manage. And hey, if